In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to quickly find the most recent value in Airtable. We're going to do this by creating a view that always shows the latest changes at the top using a last modified time field. This is really useful if you have a lot of records and you want to know which one was updated most recently without manually scrolling or guessing. First, open your Airtable base. In this example, I'm in a sales CRM base in the opportunities table, but you can follow along with any table you're working in. Make sure you're looking at the grid view or another view where you can see your fields and records clearly. Next, we're going to add a last modified time field. This is a special Airtable field type that automatically tracks when a record was last updated. Look towards the right side of your table where your existing fields end and click on the option to add a new field. This is usually shown as a plus icon at the top of the last column. When the new field settings panel opens, give the field a clear name, like last modified time, so you'll immediately know what it does when you look at your table later. Then, change the field type to last modified time. Airtable will display this option in the list of field types. Click it to select it. After selecting the last modified time type, you'll see some configuration options. You can usually leave these at their defaults, but make sure it's set to track updates for the whole record, not just a specific field if you want a general, most recently changed timestamp. When you're happy with the settings, click Create Field to add it to your table. You'll now see a new column populated with timestamps showing when each record was last modified. The final step is to sort your view so that the most recent value appears at the top. Open your view's sorting options, add a sort on the last modified time field, and set it to descending order. Descending means the newest, most recent timestamps will be at the top, and older ones will fall below. From now on, whenever any record in this table is updated, its last modified time will change automatically, and your sorted view will always highlight the most recent activity right at the top, making it quick and easy to find the latest value in Airtable.